Hey, what's up? It's Eric at Aqua, and today we're going to have a product spotlight on the Varipumps from Evolution Aqua. These are asynchronous style pumps with a built-in flow control device. These are available in two sizes, the 10,000 and the 20,000 model. The 10,000 is pushing up to 2,640 gallons per hour, and the 20,000 is pushing up to 5,280 gallons per hour. So let's pop the box open on the 10,000 and see what we're working with. First thing we find is our instruction manual. Hang on to this. It does have, of course, installation information, but it also has some error code information for the control box on that flow control. We'll find a few fittings. A little bag of O-rings to go with those fittings to help ensure a watertighter seal. And then we're going to pull out the pump itself. We do have, as you can see, a nice long cord on this. It's over 32 feet from the pump to the control box, and from the control box over to your plug is 6.5 feet. So as we see, pump itself, it can be either submerged or it can be installed externally in line as well. So if submerged, we're generally just going to keep this cage on right here. But if we're running it in line, we'll pop that off and connect piping to that. So if we are going to run that submerged, you do have the option of using the barbed step-down fitting to connect tubing. That's just going to tighten down onto the pump discharge, and this will accept either 1 inch, 1.25 inch, or 1.5 inch tubing. If we don't do that, then what we're left with here is an 1.5 inch male thread that we can connect threaded fittings to go to PVC type fittings. And then it's going to be the same thing if we want to either run this in line or otherwise connect something to the inlet. We'll just pop the screen off, and we have the 1.5 inch male thread here. On the 20,000, that's going to be a 2-inch male thread on both the outlet as well as the inlet. Most of these other fittings you actually would not use. They're not very versatile for US fittings. So usually what we would do then to connect to the PVC is a fitting like this. This is an 1.5 inch female adapter, female threads on one side, slip fitting on the other. Thread that on, connect the PVC pipe or a PVC bushing, whatever we're connecting to at that time, standard PVC fittings. The pump does feature a 2-year warranty, and when we need to service this pump for any reason, we're going to have some Phillips screwdrivers right here that will allow you to pull the pump volute off and access the impeller area, give that a good cleaning as needed. Generally going to want to do that at least once or twice a year just to keep the pump running in tip-top shape. Now, the control box. So this control box, this can be mounted. We've got mounting bosses here. Be able to put that on a post. It can take weather, rain, snow, whatever it's going to be as far as that goes, but it can't ever end up submerged. So up vertical on a post is going to be your best thing and more convenient to be able to control it. You do have an on-off right here, so you don't have to go unplug the pump when you need to either clean it, service the filter, whatever it is that you're doing. And then we have our flow control, and this is done with a simple up-down button. And that's going to be in 1% increments, anywhere from 0 to 100%. So if we start at 100% and we want to bump that down to 75% flow, we're just going to hit that button 99, 98, 99, 99, 98, 97 until we get to the desired flow rates. And that's going to be displayed on this display here. Now, when you're not actually adjusting the display, that's going to show you the wattage that the pump is currently drawing, because the electrical consumption will be corresponding directly to the flow rate. So the lower the flow, the lower the energy draw on the pump. It's already an energy efficient pump. The 10,000 is at its max going to be drawing just 90 watts. The 20,000 at 190 watts at its max. So that's the adjustable flow Varipumps in the two sizes that are currently available in the United States. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.